How to make my friends list private on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make my friends list private on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. To do that, just simply open your app store and then search for Facebook, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Assuming now that you have done updating your Facebook, then simply click Open and then go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen if you're using iOS, or on the three lines found on the upper right of the screen if you are using Android. And then scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy, click on Settings, and then scroll down until you can see the Audience and Visibility section. So once you're in Audience and Visibility, what you're going to do is to click on How People Find and Contact You. And then right here, you can see a lot of different options. So the first one is who can send you friend requests. The second one is who can see your friends list. So we will be focusing on the second option, which is who can see your friends list. So whenever you click on it, and then you click on more right here, and click on only me right here, wait for it to load, and then now your friends list will be turned into private. However, I think that people can still see your mutual friends. However, they may not be able to see your whole list of your friend. So that's it. That's how you can make my friends list private on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.